Hello friends, let's see today that how we can install the Python SAN into the computer in the Windows system. So what you need to do is you need to go to the python.org. In this website you need to go to the download tab, and then you will find the latest version of Python over here. If you are looking for specific version or specific OS, all the options are available over here, and you can go to the download for the specific options if you want the version pre-release version. Now let me take this latest version for the Windows 3.8.3. so it will ask you to save that file, but I have already downloaded, so let me use that source file. So this is the 3.8.3 application. Okay, so let us install this. You can even have the customized installation, so you can choose the path all. So it's a quick process. It is quickly going to install the Python 3.8.3 into your system. So it is about to finish the installation. Meanwhile, let me say that it is going to install all the libraries and other files in your system so that you can use it. So now setup was successfully completed, and let me close this. And so let's check that here it will show that Python 3.8 version has been installed. So you can open from this command prompt also, and you can write something, anything like, let's say, print hello world, and you can check whether your program runs or not. And with this it will also provide the other options. You can use this idle IDE, which will give you the better environment to run the Python script. So you can even write something like, let's say if I write a is equal to 5, and if I want to check that what is a, you can check by running this. And you can open and you can write a new program into this. Let me write print. You can write anything here. So I'm writing I'm, let's say, learning Python. You can save this. You can choose any location, and let me write first. Okay, now you can simply even run from this, and you can see that here you'll get the output that I am learning Python, right? So this is the way how you can begin with the Python programming. And in the next video we'll see that how other IDEs are there, and how it will how those IDEs are more better than this one. So I'm going to explain you that how you can install the Spiderwave and how you can work on the Jupyter in the next video. Fine, thank you very much guys for watching this video.